If you swapped your Bambu AMS over to a Sunlu heater, there is a spare lid sitting in a drawer somewhere right now. Do not toss it. Today we are turning that leftover lid into one of the most useful upgrades in your print room. So a whole lot of us, me included, picked up the Sunlu AMS heater for our original AMS units. And honestly, it does a fantastic job. Filament stays dry, prints come out cleaner, no complaints there. But the heater swap leaves you with one little problem. The original AMS lid now has absolutely nothing to do. It is a high quality, perfectly good component just sitting there collecting dust. Here's the thing though, we are 3D printer people. We do not let good parts go to waste. I found this model on MakerWorld called the BMS, which stands for Box for Material Storage. It is built specifically to repurpose that original AMS lid after the Sunlu mod. You print the body and drop your spare lid right on top. No extra hardware, no fuss. It just fits. That is the kind of upcycling I am here for. Let's get it printing. I ran mine in PETG for extra strength, but the model works great in PLA, PETG, or really anything that matches your setup. Nothing exotic required. Now this is where the no fuss part really pays off. The model contains some connectors to make assembly easy. However, make sure you watch your tolerances. Shrinkage can create a really tight fit. Take your original AMS lid, use the included hinges to assemble it, and that is it. So what can this thing actually do? This is where it gets good because there is more than one way to use it. First up, the dry box. The designer built in 4 filament exit holes on the back wall. That means you can store your spools in here and feed your printer directly, keeping that filament dry while it prints. 4 standard spools fit comfortably inside with the printed filament stand that I also found on MakerWorld. Next, sealed storage. If you are not feeding from it and you just want a sealed box, the model includes custom plugs that drop right into those holes to keep everything closed up tight. Without all the internals, this box can comfortably fit 5 filament rolls. Lastly, a tool organizer. If you would rather not store filament at all, there is an optional internal Gridfinity base. Print that and you have got a giant modular organizer for all your tools and small parts. If you are already in the Gridfinity world, this slots right in. So 1 spare lid, 1 print, and you can take it whichever direction your bench actually needs. This is how you take a part you were about to throw in a drawer and turn it into something genuinely useful. So go grab the BMS and give the designer some love. If this saved a perfectly good lid from the trash, hit that like button and subscribe because we have ideas coming.